Okay, Anna Palminger, you're the sustainability manager at Ecolean, and I'm sure you can tell us a little bit more about the EPD project that you just performed. Can you tell us more about it, please?
Yes, Ecolean has always worked with the life cycle approach on all our products. And when it was time to make new life cycle assessments, we decided to take it a step further and make environmental product declarations instead. An EPD, as it's easier to call them that, are based on a life cycle assessment according to ISO standards. So it follows all the steps that is required for an LCA, for a life cycle assessment. But it also follows the ISO standard 14025, which is it sets the rules for what an EPD is. And you have to do the LCA, and you have to have them third-party verified by an external expert, and they have to be published open-sourced online. So we have decided to publish ours at the International EPD System, and they also have to follow special product category rules. It's called the regulations that defines the system that is studied when you do your LCA. So it means that the LCA that's behind all of the data inside these documents, it follows defined rules, and it also gives the possibility for other suppliers to make also EPDs following these product category rules, and it gives a result that actually can be compared. So by doing this, we are providing the customer with a tool so they can start to requesting EPDs from other suppliers and actually start to compare products and the packaging systems on a fair basis, to compare apples and apples on a better scale and make more fact-based decisions on what packaging solutions they should choose.
It must have been quite a lot of work.
Yeah, it's been quite a lot of work. It's a lot of data that has been collected, and then we have had external consultancy agency that has helped us with all the calculations behind the LCA, and they have used database LCA databases to perform the study for us.
And how simple will it be then? I mean, you must sooner or later you must update this.
Yep.
Will it be easier then now when you've done the first declaration, so to say?
Hopefully it will be a little easier that we have now we know all the data that is required, but we also, when we did them, we didn't just do them for the packaging, but we also did it for the filling machines. So it made it quite complex that we had both packaging side systems and also the filling machines that we did in the same time. But I think that when it's time to update them, they are valid for 3 years. After that, we will have more. We will have set the routines for collecting all the data. And it will also be an important tool for us. It's not just only for the customers, but these are giving us a baseline on the environmental performance of our products today. And in 3 years, we will probably have new machines and made new developments on the packaging material. And then we will actually be able to compare and say that these efficiencies that we made in the filling machines, they have reduced our carbon impact with how many percent. So we will have a very good basis to stand on.
So this EPD makes you a totally transparent company, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. The EPDs, they give you all the environmental impact and all the information that you as a customer would need from us. And we are totally transparent with all the environmental impact and has followed all this standardized way to also communicate on it. So what we are hoping for is that our customers start to request EPDs from all the suppliers to be able to make these fact-based decisions when it comes to their packaging solutions.
Thank you for this information.
Thank you.